What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at this watch repair magnifier. These are not stereo vision, but they're mono. Mono means you can only look at them through out of one eye. But there's the model number. Got it off Amazon. I'll supply the link for you guys in the description. Comes with a set. It ranges from 2.5 all the way up to 25 time magnification. Comes in a nice little tray. You got the headband just like the other set. The arms pop off here if you want to use the headband. I don't really see any reason for that on these. It has two lights on each side. You push down and you can unscrew this, and then it takes like a watch battery. Turn it on. Very simple. The other one, same thing. And then you have adjustments for the light. That's all the way out, and then you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice part about these is they also rotate upward and out of the way to all the way down. The lenses simply go ahead and just find the notch and you turn them on like so. And when using a set like this, you can have, say, the 2.5 or a 4 and then an 8, so you can work from eye to eye, or if you just want to work one eye, you lift it up. The other nice thing about these is, so you have this light on over here and you have a lens in it and it's too bright. Well, just turn that light off and then turn this light on and then angle it over to your work area. Comes with instructions. Real nice set, wasn't very expensive. And if you're looking for something that has a higher range than the other set I reviewed, check these out.